Yeah, good day everybody, welcome back to our channel, mathematics clinic or mathematics theater. Here, as we have been discussing about number-based system, we will round it up with some technical questions, some advanced questions. I call it technical questions, this advanced questions, or like word problem most often asked in JAMB or A levels. So I coined out my question myself. I'm very sorry. I if you have any textbook, any question on the textbook, you find difficult, so you can comment on the section, snap it and put it in comment section. So yeah, I have two questions for us. So the first one, number one question is 10 P3 is equals to P34. I will tell you how I got this question. It's from the work we have been doing. If you see, keep your notes, and I will advise we have our notes. The way I'm writing, you follow up by writing. So we have 102 also base 3 plus 23 base 4, and you have x, y, z base 7. Fine. X, y, z base 7. This is interesting. Number one question. This you can't find it in any textbook. It just coined. I just coined it, so just to help. You have done it before. So number one, you can go to JAMB question. You will see the first 5 questions. You will see question on number base. Every year, almost every year, it comes out. JAMB and Y questions. So you have 10P3 and P34. So you number like first one. If you see different in base number, the first rule is that you convert all to base 10. Convert all base or all bases to base 10. That's the first one. So to convert this one to base 10, you write 0, 1, 2. That is 1 times 3 raised to power 2. We have done it before. Plus 0 times 3 raised to power 1. Yes. Plus P times 3 raised to power 0. We are finished. We are through with this. We then write equals to this P here now. P, we are looking for P. Anytime you see an equation like this, we are looking for P. That's P. You write a 0, 1. P times 4 raised to power 1 plus 3 times 4 raised to power 0. So here, you can have your 1 times, so this 3 times 3 square is 9. 1 times 9 plus anything multiplied by 0. Anywhere you see 0, just know that everything else is 0. So yes, anything raised to power 0 is 1. You know that this is your P. Is equals to 4 times P, you have 4P, plus anything raised to power 0 is 1. 1 times 3, you have your 3. So here you have your 9 plus P is equals to 4P plus 3. To make it easier, bring your P here and bring this 3 here. So this, it will be 3 minus 9 minus 3 is equals to 4P minus what? 4P minus P. So here you have your 3P is equals to 6. Divide both sides by 3 because 3 is the one affecting P. So you have 3P over 3, 6 over 3. So you have your 2. 3 here, 1, 3 and 6, 2. You have your 2. So if you want to write it there, you have your 102 3 is equals to 2, 3, 4. We have done this before. If you did not forget, let me check. So you know that your 102 base 3 is what? What do we get? We get 11 base 10. And our 23 also, don't forget, we have 11 base 10 also. So this proved to us that this is right. So this, after solving, while solving this, okay, let's move to the second one. The second one is more technical and more trickish. So I will want us to follow. You have 2 ways of solving it. Like the first one, convert everything to base 7. Or you convert this, convert all bases to base 10. Or you convert this one first, then you convert it later. But regardless, convert all base to what? To base 7. So let's go to base 10. So we have 102 base 3 plus 23 base 4 is equals to x, y, z base 7. It's very easy to just say, since I know that this is that is to tell you that I just set it offhand. This is 11, this is 11. So I can say it's 22 base 10, but let me just prove it right. So I write 0, 1, 2, 0, 1. So this is 1 times 3 raised to power 2 plus 0 times 3 raised to power 0 plus 2 times 3 raised to power 0 plus, now coming back to this, 2 times 3 raised to power 4 raised to power 1, plus 3 times 4 raised to power 0. Now this also, you write 0, 1, 2 times, so this will be x times 7 raised to power 2 plus y times 7 raised to power 1 plus z times 7 raised to power what? 0. So here you have your what? This 9 plus 0 plus 2 plus this 8 plus 3 is equals to 49x plus, what did I get here? 7y plus z plus z. So yeah, when you add this together, you have your what? 22 base 10. 22 base 10. So yeah, sorry, there's, I think, the x. So actually I coined this is supposed to be an entity, so I'm not supposed to expand this. So the best thing I can do here is like I convert this to base 7 to equivalent it and equate it to this. So if I'm to convert this to base 7, I'm going to have my what? 22 7 7 3 remainder what? 1. 7 in 3 is what? It's 0 remainder 3. So my answer is what? 31 base 7. So if I'm coming here, I can equate it to this later and say x, y, z base 7. My x, since there's nothing here, so I can put 0. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 1, and z is equals to what? Z is equals to 7. No, sorry, y is equals to 3. This is equals to 1, like x, y, z. To confirm this, if I put 0 here, this one will cancel, this one will be 0. If I put 1 here, 3 here, this 3 times 7. 3 times 7 is 20 what? 21 plus z. Where's my z? 1. It is giving the same thing as 22. So my x is 0, my y is 3, my z is 1. So I was just coining the question. Initially, you see, I just put bracket like an entity here. So later on I put xyz, not knowing that it will only be yz. If it will have been yz, it will have been easier for me to solve from here. But since, and it will be like 3 equations. So sorry to just make it. So if you see, if there's any technical question you will be battling with in number-based system, the comment section is there. Let's interact. Let's learn from one another. If there's any comment, any advice, please don't fail to contact us. Thanks for watching the channel.